And check out the view from the CTV Skywatch camera looking north on 13th Street North. Bit of a change from the view yesterday. We're looking at clouds, but they're not smoke clouds today, which is a good thing. 17 degrees, that is our daytime high. We got down to 5 degrees at 5 a.m. Winds are out of the west at 46, but that's just the peak gust is what we're looking at right now. Those aren't absolute consistent winds. So that's the good news. And we'll start to see those winds taper off, especially as we get closer to midnight. Watches and warnings. We have frost warning for all this area, and then there's a bit of a gap, and then the extreme northern sections, Fort Chipewyan under frost warning as well. Fort McMurray area, heavy rainfall warnings, but in the south are actually all of the central and southern areas of the province, with the exception right along the foothills. Got a little bit of cloud cover there, so the frost warnings aren't in effect there, but all these areas expecting to see frost tonight. So if you have anything left in your garden, you might want to yank it out or cover it because it's coming. Low pressure center still migrating across the northern sectors of Alberta, Saskatchewan, and even Manitoba. So we've got some heavy rainfall potential there. Then we've got this area of high pressure that is still trying to dominate southern Alberta, but we're getting that drift off from the mountains. And it's this area here that's not in frost warning criteria because there is, would you believe, snow in the higher elevations in the Continental Divide. Jasper saw some snow in the higher elevations this morning. And then we've got pockets of precipitation that are trying to meander into southern Alberta. That's not a bad thing either. So as far as Lethbridge, Tabor, Milk River have a chance of seeing some shower activity tonight. You folks in Medicine Hat could pick up a little bit of that as well. Not huge amounts of precipitation, but with all the fire situation that we've had for the last 24 hours, any moisture is a good thing at this point, and the cooler temperatures, the cooler ground air mass with that frost warning, that's not bad either. So you can see the forecaster is indicating those pockets of precipitation. There's that snow-rain mix already in the higher elevations. As we get into tomorrow, we're looking at clearing skies for the most part, lots of sunshine. To the north of the sectors, though, we're still expecting to see that low pressure center and some debris from the northwest area of BC make its way into northern and central Alberta, but we should be seeing mostly sunny skies here in the south. 14 degrees in St. John's right now. Winds have reduced there. This morning there was gusts of 110 upwards, and then that has leveled off, so the winds aren't that bad. Still expecting heavy rainfall through the Maritimes, though, part and parcel of the tropical storm that's making its way out into the Atlantic. 19 degrees in Winnipeg, 18 and 15 Regina and Saskatoon, 14 in the capital. Got a sun and cloud mix in Vancouver right now. We have rain in Whitehorse and expecting a rain-snow mix overnight tonight. Yellowknife expecting a couple of damp days. They did manage to see some sun and cloud in the mix today. For your overnight forecast, East Kootenay, you're looking at a few clouds tonight, 1 degree for a low. Chance of frost in your forecast tonight, mainly sunny. Tomorrow, 14 degrees for a daytime high. Clear in the Crow's Nest Pass tonight, 2 degrees for a low. Mainly sunny tomorrow, 16 for a high. West winds at 30 kilometers per hour. In Medicine Hat, you're looking at mainly cloudy skies tonight. You have a chance of a shower, 6 degrees for a low. Sun and cloud mix tomorrow, 16 for a daytime high. And here in Lethbridge, we have that chance of shower activity tonight, which would not be a bad thing. Winds are expected to taper off, 19 for a high tomorrow. Lots of sunshine. Winds will be out of the west at about 30 kilometers per hour by the afternoon. And there's your 5-day forecast. As you can see, temperatures really do, accentuating that area of high pressure. So popping those temperatures up as we get into Thursday and Friday, and then still above average. Average now has reduced to 20 degrees for this time of year. So quite a temperature slide as you get into September. Now our focus on safety message, this is directly related to what happened yesterday. You need to have those emergency bags ready, important documents for yourself, items of jewelry, things that are important, pictures, but also for your pet. Make sure medications are there, extra pet food, and a water supply. That's our focus on safety message. Stay safe, everyone.